Unlock the power of smart real estate. Investing with Propstream, your essential guide to finding profitable deals, starts now. First, let's dive into finding properties. Once you're logged into Propstream, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. The most crucial tool you'll use initially is the search bar. You can search by address, city, zip code, or even by drawing a custom area on the map. For this tutorial, let's input a specific zip code to see what we can find in that area. After entering your search criteria, you'll see a map populated with property pins. Each pin represents a property. Clicking on a pin will bring up a quick summary of that property, including its estimated value, ownership details, and key property characteristics. This gives you an immediate snapshot of potential opportunities. To truly analyze a property, click on the property address to open its detailed profile. Here, you'll find a wealth of information. Look for the property details section to understand its size, year built, and lot size. Then, explore ownership information to see who owns it and for how long. Critically, the comps section will show you recently sold similar properties in the area, giving you a sense of market value. But how do you find specific types of deals? That's where filters come in. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a comprehensive list of filtering options. You can filter by owner type, distinguishing between owner-occupied and non-owner-occupied properties. You can also filter by equity percentage, per foreclosure status, property type, like single-family homes or condos, and so much more. Experiment with these filters to narrow down your search considerably. Let's try applying a filter. Imagine we're looking for vacant properties. We'd navigate to the property characteristics filters and select vacancy status, and then vacant. Instantly, the property pins on the map and the list view will update to show only properties that meet our criteria. This saves you immense time and effort in manually sifting through unrelated listings. Don't forget to utilize the Save Search feature once you've set up a search with your preferred filters and have a specific area in mind. Saving it means you can revisit these targeted opportunities anytime without having to set them up again. This is a fundamental step for consistent deal finding. Mastering these basic functionalities will empower you to confidently begin your real estate investing journey. With Propstream, subscribe for more advanced tips and strategies.